it is as something else. And so at this point, you have, even in the church, where you have some people in the church are saying, I don't want to have anything to do with the people from the other side in the church because they are really enemies of my family, because in my family we are going to lose certain rights. And then over the other side you have people saying, but look at what this is going to do for a certain demographic of our society. And you have this tussle. And so Jonah reminds us that in the middle of all of this political tension and the tension between one side and the other side, and I'm not going to get into whether you should be favoring the BBB or you should be against the BBB. I have my opinions on it. But what I'm saying here is that Jonah finds himself in a similar situation to the situation we find ourselves in America today. And we need to understand how, as a Christian, we can be light in the midst of this tussle and light in the middle of all of what is going on. And how can I love the Republicans, or how can I love the Democrats when we disagree so much?